if the horizontal or vertical distance between adjacent pegs in the geoboard shown below is 1 unit, which is the closest to the area of the polygon modeled on the geoboard? So what they're saying is between each dot here, if that's 1 unit, what is the area of this pentagon? Now, it's a pentagon because it has 5 sides, but it's hard to find the area because it's not regular. All the sides are not the same length and all the angles are not the same. So what I'm going to do is turn it into a shape that I can find the area of. And I think what I'll do is turn it into a rectangle. So there's a nice rectangle. It has a width of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember, I'm counting spaces, not dots. So here's 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space, 5. And it has a length of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the area of a rectangle is length times width, and you can look at the formula chart to verify that. Here it is right here, rectangle, length times width. So the rectangle here is 5 times 6, which is 30 square units. But my polygon doesn't fill up the whole rectangle, so what I need to do now is subtract off all these little triangles that are left. Now I can look again at the formula chart to find the area of a triangle right here, 1/2 base times height, or base times height divided by 2. So this little triangle here is 3 by 1. So when I multiply those together, I get 3, and I want half of that. So that would be 3/2. This triangle here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3. When I multiply those together, I get 15. So divide by 2. That's 15/2. This one down here is 1 by 2. Multiply those together, I get 2, and I want half of that. Half of 2 is 1. And then one last triangle is 2 by 2, and 2 times 2 is 4, and half of that is 2. So I want to take my 30, which is the whole thing, and subtract off all these nice little colorful areas. Now, a nice way would be to use a calculator, and you're allowed to use a calculator. So let me bring the calculator up. And we would just start working. 30, subtract 3/2, subtract 15/2, subtract 1, and subtract 2. There's my answer, 18 square units, right here.